Okay, today, back with our Shop EP3. So, plan for today's video was another upgrade in this. And unfortunately, with the whole COVID thing going on, it's caused a backlog and a part that we're looking to fit to this, which we'll talk about in another video. So, yeah, we've really enjoyed making the content on this EP3 to show the performance gains, the normal parts, bolt-on parts people fit to these cars. But very interestingly, we've had, I think 4 or 5 people now wanted to buy this car. This car, it's my car. It's not for sale. So it's here to make content for the YouTube channel, and there's more we want to do with it over the coming days, weeks, months, years, whatever. So this car is pretty much all about performance gains and what it does. But people have been asking about just normal routine maintenance, asking about oil changes, gearbox, valve clearances. And we're thinking that not everybody wants to spend thousands and thousands of pounds in these cars. These cars are, what, 20 years old now? They are this year, 20 years old. So an awful lot of them are getting pretty rough. Then they're going to need a lot of maintenance, complete suspension overhaul. They're going to need welding because obviously the corrosion issues we know with them. So taking all the requests for routine maintenance and repair work, and people wanting to buy this, that gives an idea, which is so we bought another Type R. Yeah. So this car's to do all the requests about normal routine repair and maintenance. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a series of videos in this one, but they're going to be more basic. This car needs quite a bit of TLC. That's all more maintenance, brakes. I think you could probably do a clutch, needs engine mounts, rocker cover needs. We're trying to make it look as clean as possible as well, without going OTT on it. I want the car to look as clean as it can for its age, but not go overboard with the other car. It's going to be more performance related. This is going to be more. This is a nice, clean car.
Interior is immaculate.
The interior, as you've probably seen the B-roll, the paintwork isn't great at all. So we'll have this car as close as possible to factory finish. It'll probably get an exhaust, a manifold, and an induction kit. Cosmetically wise, yeah, I said before, we want it to look as factory as possible. So the main thing is letting the car down. Is there's a lot of wear and tear stuff that is just suspension bushes, ball joints, things like that. That's all going to get replaced. That's fine. But the paintwork's pretty poor on it. So it'll more than likely get a full respray. I think we'll probably replace the headlights. One of the headlights is a bit duller than the other. I want the car to look as clean as possible. The interior is pretty clean and it's just good. It hasn't been messed about with. I think we'll probably just put a factory hedge in it and stuff back into it. Repocket, just get rid of that black trim. Not really happy with that. And the original gear knob. There's a couple of cracks in the trim at the boot. We'll replace that as well. But with all that said, we have one thing in mind. When the list is done and we've made all the videos we can on it, more than likely what's going to happen is one of you guys, the subscribers, will own it. We are looking into the logistics and into the finer details of how we're going to do this, but unlike my car, somebody will own this car once we finish making our series of videos on it.
So what do you want to see?
So drop a comment in the comment section. You have to give us a like, have to. Let us know what you think about it. Give us a bit of feedback, and then let us know what possible videos you guys would like to see on this car. I think it will be pretty We'll be pretty brutal about it, we'll be honest. We'll be honest about the condition of it to show you exactly.
Yeah,
So exactly what it's in. We want people to see what it is they're actually going to possibly get. But yeah, drop a comment, like, subscribe, thumbs up.
See you in the next video.
See you in the next video.